So today guys, we're going to be using and reviewing the DoDoJuice Snowfoam. Hey up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So as you just seen from that little intro there, we're going to be using this DoDoJuice Snowfoam. For those of you that follow the channel, you would have seen that I did a review on the Autobrite Snowfoam and the Autobrite Snowfoam Lance, which is what I've been using for a fairly long time. This DoDoJuice has been in the garage for a fair while now, to be fair. It's not moved. I've used quite a bit of it, as you can see from here, but we're going to be using it today to clean the GT86 since it's got a load of bugs all over it and it's fairly dirty. Before we get into it, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe if you enjoy what you're seeing. It really helps me get to my goals, and the next goal is 1,000 subscribers, which should be here in the next couple of months, but let's get into it. So for the most part, it's going to be standard procedures, so I'm going to use the Autobrite Direct Snowfoam Lance with the Karcher K2 Compact to clean the GT86. I'm going to use about an inch of the Snowfoam here. It does say on here that it's thick lather, so we'll see about that. But one thing that I want to mention about this is the smell of it. It smells exactly like Granny Smith's green apples. It is absolutely divine, especially when you spray in the car and you're walking around it. You can smell, well, all you can smell is apples, to be fair. From my experience of using it, it has been okay. We're going to use it with the different lances as we proved in the last video, which I'll link down below. The Amazon lance didn't do too well when spraying the product, so hopefully the Autobrite Direct lance will give it a bit more to go at, but let's get into it. So as always with Snowfoam and Snowfoam lances, you want to make sure that your Snowfoam lance is cleaned out, as this one is. You've got to get your bottle. I'm going to use about an inch of product. I'm only doing one car, so I'm not going to be filling it up all of the way in terms of the water, that is. So let's just see. Have we got enough? I think we have just about enough to be able to get one car out of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill this up with cold water. We're going to go out and rinse the car, and then we're going to apply the Snowfoam. As always, we're going to have the Snowfoam lance, which is quite interesting to see with the GoPro, but let's go. So as you can see, we're outside with the GT86. I'm just going to give it a quick blast off, then we'll go to the Snowfoam cam and have a look to see how the DoDoJuice Snowfoam performs. Okay, so the car is rinsed down behind me. Let's get the Snowfoam cam on and get splattering the vehicle.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want.
It is a little bit sunny, so apologies if you can't see me properly, but we've put the Snowfoam on the car. It seems to have performed quite well, however it has come out very, very thick. Now I put the little nozzle on the top to about half and half, which is normally a sort of happy medium for the Autobrite product in terms of the dilution of Snowfoam to water. This tends to be, I mean, it's running off quite quickly, but it's also clinging in some places as well, so we'll let it go off and then we'll have a look, we'll rinse it down. I'm going to give the car a bit of a wash, but after that we'll return to the garage and we'll have a bit of a review. Right, so we're back in the garage. Sorry if we look a little bit hot and bothered. It is quite warm outside. The sun's come out blazing, and when you're wiping down a car and blasting a car off, you can get pretty warm. So what do I think of the DoDoJuice Snowfoam then? I mean, it smells great, it looks great, it didn't perform too well, and that's what I'm going to speak about now. So when I put the snow foam on, it went on quite thick. It did run off quite well, to my surprise, considering how thick it went on. However, after rinsing it off, and I'll put some little clips on now, there was still bits and bobs on the paintwork. It didn't really take anything off, and then bits that you'll see on the video there, they came off with a quick wipe of the finger. I know you're not supposed to do that, but I just wanted to find out if they were embedded or if they were just on the surface, and it turned out they were on the surface. So it didn't perform too well. I mean, out of 10, I'm probably going to give it a 6, and it gets 6 purely because it smells very nice and it looks good. But if you're looking for something which cleans very well as a snow foam, I'd stay away from this. It's more of an Instagram snow foam, if you get what I'm saying. It's something that looks brilliant, that smells nice, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really do the job. That's it for the snow foam video, and remember, if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out greatly. Like the video, and drop a comment down below if there's any snow foams that you want me to try, or your favourite snow foams. I'm always interested in doing car detailing stuff. This didn't make the cut, unfortunately. But until next time, I'll see you then.